Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years. We're dedicated to delivering quality auto parts, expert customer service, fast and free shipping, all backed by our 100% satisfaction guarantee. So visit us at 1AAuto.com, your trusted source for quality auto parts.
In this video, we're going to be working with our 1998 Ford F-150. We're going to show you how to remove and replace your vehicle's tailgate latch mechanisms. If you like this video, please click subscribe. We have a ton more information on this and many other vehicles. And if you ever need parts for your truck, you can follow the link down in the description over to 1AAuto.com. Here are the items you'll need for this repair. You have 8 pieces of hardware securing the cover and the back plate onto the tailgate. Ours have clearly been replaced a few times in our various styles and sizes of hardware. Use the appropriate tool and ratchet to remove whatever hardware is securing your plastic back cover. If you don't have this plastic cover, the hardware should be the same and in the same locations to remove a steel backing. Remove the plastic backing if you have it. Once you remove your plastic cover, if you have one, you'll have 2 T30 Torx bolts you need to remove. I'm pretty sure this is the original hardware that should have been holding the plastic piece of the tailgate on too, so you probably already have this tool out. Remove the metal backing. Use a small flat blade screwdriver to pry up the tabs and release the lock rods from the tailgate. Using a 10mm socket and ratchet, you can remove the 2 nuts securing the tailgate handle to the tailgate. You can then pull down and fold the bottom out to remove the handle from the vehicle. Now, it's not entirely necessary to remove the handle from the tailgate before removing the mechanism, but there is a risk of you having it fall out, and where it's only plastic, it could break or shatter. So we removed ours first, and you can then slide the mechanism out of the tailgate. Now, there's nothing wrong with our mechanism, so we're just going to reinstall it. Reinstall the tailgate handle. You'll then have to set the mechanism back on there. There's some plastic clips on the bottom of the mechanism to lock it into place. Once it's in there, you can reinstall your 2 10mm nuts. Tighten them down with a socket and ratchet. Now, when reinstalling the latch rods, you'll want to pull the slack out of them without actually moving the latch and lock them back into their tabs. Now, before we reinstall our back cover, we'll open and close the tailgate a few times to make sure our latch rod adjustment works. Now, if the tailgate won't close fully on one side, you'll need to back off the adjustment a little bit and give the rod some more slack. Or if it's difficult to open with having this off, you can reach in there and pull it manually to release, and then you'll want to pull a little more slack out of the latch rods. Reinstall the metal cover. Now, if you have the plastic cover, start by installing the 2 T30 Torx bolts. If you don't have the plastic cover, reinstall all 10 of your T30 Torx bolts at this point and tighten them down. Now, if you have the plastic cover like we do, reinstall it, and you should have 8 T30 Torx bolts to reinstall. We have miscellaneous hardware that we'll be putting back in. Close your tailgate, and you're good to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.